Assalamu alaikum Jamil. Okay, to edit this page, we are going to the right direction, and let's say in the home page, and you need to edit it. I'm opening in the new page, new tab, sorry. And yes, this top button is not working. It is something to do with the new theme. I will figure out and fix it, but otherwise this bottom button is working for now. You can click it here, and then you need to see if this navigator window is on the right hand side. It will help you a lot. Otherwise you can actually activate from here or by right clicking in any of the section, and then you can activate, and this will help you also. You can change it whatever you want to change, and here you can change the text also. I think you already did it. Okay, what's happening, the problem you are facing is actually when you will see these the top section on this page is this one, right? And once you hover on the or put your mouse on this menu, it is actually the header which is repeating on each page, and you see here section highlighting edit header. So once you go to the header, you can't actually edit the page. You have to again come to the that page, and which is actually hiding behind it, but I show you how you can do it. Now you said you are not able to edit it, right? This is because it is a nav plugin which is nav widget which is using the menu, and menu is changeable by menu section. And you can see also here, go to the menu screen, you can open it from here, right click maybe and open in new tab, and then you can change this free report or whatever. Let's say I change it to free reports just for showing you the changes happening. And then again I'm going back to this section, and I'm just reloading it so I can show you. And let me see what happened here. Sorry, it is actually the footer menu which is changed. If you see that in the very footer, you can see the changes appearing here, but we are actually looking for the header part. So let me just change it back, save it, and from here the name of the menu was here. If we can click here, or we can actually go from here also. It is called primary menu, so I need to change the primary menu. I'm selecting it, and then you can change anything here. Let me double check if it is loaded. Yeah, it is loaded. I can change it, then I can save, and I'm refreshing. See, it is, the change is visible here. So whatever you want to change, you need to change it in the menu section. Okay, I am changing back, or maybe leave it so you can see the change. Now the other question you asked, how we can go back. You see that edit page is hiding. So what I need to do, I'm clicking on this menu, and then I am exiting. Okay, so you actually need to go back to that page again. Okay, one more thing, if you need to change, let me open the page first. So I can show you also, and maybe you can edit it. One thing, if you want to make something in some change in the header or the footer part, which is here, I guess you already changed it, so maybe I don't need to explain, but just for your help, yeah, I can see you had changed it, so you can actually go from here. Also in the templates and show all. I guess I showed this part already to you in another video, and you can change this footer from here. You can edit it with the Elementor, and you make the changes. So I guess this will help. Ask me any other question and I will reply you back.